In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto in a simple and secure way. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. To be able to buy cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, you will have to go through an application. I've tested dozens of them since I got into crypto. And frankly, one of the best of all is Swissborg. It is a mobile application that you can download on your cell phone, and which will allow you to buy lots of different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. This is the #1 app I use to do all my cryptocurrency investments. It is really very simple to use, really very intuitive, you can't go wrong. Additionally, it offers the best fees in crypto with a great exchange rate, and it also has a very high level of security. This is really the crypto app that I recommend to all my loved ones, to my whole family, because it is really the best of all. You will find the link to download the Swissborg app directly below this YouTube video, either in the description or in the comments. You just need to click on the link and you will be automatically redirected to download the application. All you have to do is click on download the application to be directed either to the Apple Store if you are on an iPhone or to the Google Play Store if you have an Android. And what's more, by going through this link, you will be able to unlock a Utri scratch card in the application, which will allow you to win up to $100 of crypto for yourself. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it like this. Registration only takes a few minutes, so you will simply need to enter your basic information and then validate your account. Once your registration is validated, you will land on the Swissborg application homepage like this. So the first step will be to deposit money on Swissborg to be able to buy our cryptos. So to do this, it's very simple. Just click on the plus at the top right in green, like this. You have several options to deposit money on Swissborg. You can make a bank deposit. It's free, but it takes 1 to 3 business days. So if you're not in a hurry, it's perfect. Otherwise, if you want to instantly credit your Swissborg account, you can do so via credit or debit card, or simply by using Google Pay or Apple Pay. You simply have to click on the option you want, indicate the amount you wish to deposit, like this, and then validate the transaction. Once this is done, you will normally receive your money instantly on Swissborg. And now we're going to move on to the second step, which is to buy your cryptocurrencies. So for that, we're going to click on the invest option at the bottom, right? Like this, then buy cryptos. We're going to be able to see all the cryptocurrencies available for purchase on the Swissborg application. And you can see that we have the Bitcoin right here. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to click on buy in green at the bottom. We will choose the currency with which we want to buy our cryptos. So we will choose euros. We will indicate the amount of euros that we wish to transform into this cryptocurrency. So here, I'm going to take 10 euros for the example. Then you have the very transparent summary of the transaction, which will also show you the fees. Note that Swissborg is one of the platforms in Europe that offers the best fees of all crypto platforms. And what's more, it will guarantee you the best exchange rate to get the most cryptocurrency during each transaction. Swissborg is connected to dozens of platforms and scans where the best price is for each crypto in real time. And this allows you to have the best price on each transaction. So once it's good, you click confirm. So the transaction is done in just a few seconds, like this. So we bought our Bitcoins. So that's done very quickly, and then you can click on the details to see where the application went to get the most Bitcoins at the lowest cost. Then you have the summary of how many Bitcoins you hold in your wallet on Swissborg. And then if you want to do the opposite, that is to say sell your cryptocurrencies or your Bitcoins, you just have to click on exchange at the bottom in green. Then indicate the currency with which you want to exchange your cryptos. So we're going to take euros. Let's say that we are going to exchange 10 euros of Bitcoin to get euros. Then we have the summary again. We click on confirm. The reverse operation is also very simple in just a few seconds. And there you have it. We exchanged our Bitcoins for euros. And then if you ever want to withdraw these euros from your bank account, it's very simple too. Just click on withdraw at the bottom right, add your bank account, indicate the country in which your bank account is located, and then you just have to fill in your bank account information and then withdraw your money. And usually it takes 1 to 3 business days, but it's more like 1 business day. So it's really very fast. So there you have it. You can do all of these things with Swissborg and more. Don't hesitate if you have any questions. It was Gummy. Ciao.